Welcome back to the workshop. It has been 5 years since this channel has been on YouTube. A lot has happened in that time frame. Went from having a 2-car garage, non-climate controlled workshop in eastern North Carolina, where every time I wanted to do woodworking, I had to pull the car outside and set up a shop. And so you may remember there was some videos on setting up the shop when the car was pulled out. Originally, it was started to give me a platform in which to share my puzzle creations, which all started with the Apothecary, which is kind of a raw video that didn't have a microphone and would just used a webcam. This is an Apothecary puzzle cabinet. It is a sequential discovery puzzle. As you move through it, there's a certain sequence in which you must follow, and as you go through it, you will find tools or keys that will help you get to the end of the puzzle. And there's 4 other videos at the very beginning that were actually filmed for other platforms, mainly Instagram. And so the Apothecary was the first video created specifically for YouTube. Then after that, I started to add workshop solutions, old tools, product reviews, some DIY projects, and other content. After the Apothecary video, I started adding a wired microphone to some of my videos. Welcome back to the workshop, Richard Woodworking. Today I'm going to talk about a couple items in the workshop that I started from the very beginning, before I got all the other things that I've done videos on. You see me sitting right next to the item that I'm talking about. So there was a period of time where that was, because I could only go as far as the wire would go from the camera, which was my cell phone. And that was the other thing. Sometimes I would use a webcam that I bought specifically for filming, and sometimes I'd use my cell phone. And so the cell phone worked out and is still used today. I also had a cheap digital camcorder that I bought last year. Only a very few videos use this. It's very bad quality. It would like constantly change colors. It was a bad idea. So there won't be much more of that. Once I got the wireless microphone, which happened around the time of the pros and cons of the Works Pegasus, I was able to get up and move around, do demonstrations, do work with my hands without having to deal with being tethered by a wired microphone or holding one in my hand. So that really brought new opportunities on the channel. Since moving to Eastern Tennessee, I've also added the Happy Homeowner. You may be familiar with these shorts. It sort of features different tools, different projects you could do around the house that are employed by this happy homeowner in his various adventures or misadventures. Of course, I also started doing some general woodworking projects, such as the little boxes that went with the portable desk and the pegboard cabinet. Going forward, I'll continue to post interesting content when I can, and maybe not as often as I have. If there is something particular that you want to see, please let me know. Some of my recent videos have been from comments and questions that I have received from viewers. I thank all of you who have watched my videos either from the beginning in 2021 or have found them along the way. The channel has remained unmonetized. In 2024, YouTube opened the opportunity for me to do a membership, but that would require me making more videos, and I already don't have time with a full-time job that's completely unrelated to this. And so I just don't have time to make more stuff. I'm also able to make and sell merchandise, but I couldn't think of anything that anyone would be actually interested in having, especially putting on a t-shirt. Going forward, the channel will continue. I'll still continue putting stuff out, and we'll see how it goes as we go forward in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching.